Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 11i and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now we have to find the software version and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Now we can go back and tap on the system and updates. Here, as you can see, we've got the developer options and we've got some advanced options which we can customize. So for example, we can show hardware layer updates and we can change the window animation scale. So we've got options connected with the animation. Here we've got some options which are connected to the networking, like Bluetooth, the Wi-Fi or USB. So quite a lot of options. And basically, if you want to turn on the option, all you have to do is to tap on the switcher, and as you can see, it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it to open more settings. If you're done with customization of developer options, if you want to turn them off, just go to the very top of the list and tap on the switcher. As you can see, they will be immediately turned off, and after getting back to the system you can see that they will disappear from this list. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the tapping step in the About Phone and you will be able to activate them again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.